What's going on, guys? Welcome back into the channel. It's the 24th of December, Christmas Eve. We're taking a look here at Aerodrome Finance, guys. We're going to look at the daily chart. We'll drop into Bitcoin and share some of my thoughts here. Real quick, before I jump into this video, we have a new ebook down below. No cost. Check that out. There will be a link down below to download that, guys. It's called The Investing Mindset Short Ebook. Over here to the Aerodrome Finance chart, ticker symbol AERO USD. Daily chart, Coinbase is where the price data is from here. So we had a nice Monday here on the Aerodrome. Aerodrome Finance up 5.1%. We put in a new daily low yesterday. We didn't get a new high. Today we are off to a inside day. Very quiet here, 1.66% to the downside, but very quiet. We don't have a new low. We don't have a new high inside yesterday's range. Taking a look back a couple days, it looks like our low that came in on the 20th, a lot of the markets put in some new lows on that day, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and Aerodrome had probably one of the best recoveries off the bottom that I'm aware of. And you know, that could mark a major low. So far yesterday is a nice higher low. So I talk about this often here on the channel is when we're looking for markets to bottom, we want to see the markets print a higher low, which can lead to a big bullish leg to the upside, creating a higher high. So we have this vicious sell-off here, right? We have a move up here to a lower high on the 21st. And then we have this pullback here, and yesterday so far is our higher low. So we have the initial low on the 20th, we have the higher low on the 23rd, and what you want to see here is a move like this, and you want to take out the highs here on the 21st of December. So this could, in this leg here, let's say all markets, all things go here into the rest of the week, this could be a very powerful, very strong bullish leg to the upside once we take out these highs here from the 21st of December. You know, we'll have a little bit of pushback at 1716 and some of the other resistance levels here, 162.3. That could all be short-lived, and but that's what you want to see here. And if we get something like that, that's what I call a change in trend back to the upside. So the same thing happens in the reversed order of that. Let me clean this chart up real quick. The same thing happens on the reverse order of that is we'll get a market rally here. Okay, we got the pullback, the higher low, we get the lower high, right? And then we get the boom, the bearish leg, the lower low. So again, if you flip that around, we have our lower low, our lower high, our higher low, and then we want to see that boom bullish leg to the upside, making a higher high. So that is very positive. We'll see how it unfolds here over the next couple days. Now, basically, this could be canceled if we take out the lows from the 23rd of December. It doesn't mean that the entire move here is over. It means that the higher low, which we have in place now, is not yet in place. That could come in down the road. You know, as long as we don't take out this low here on the 20th, that's a major low right now. So we want to see that hold. But so far, all looking good here, and we want to see this market start to tick higher here. But we want to take out the highs over here from the 21st. It's going to put us right up to 1716. Overhead resistance. We want to break that, and it could all happen in one day and be very powerful, and we'll get that change in trend back to the upside. I would expect a little bit of market pushback, a little bit of market resistance between 181 and 186. That's three levels here, 181, 183, 186 market overhead resistance, as well as we had market support at that level in early December, and it got flipped into resistance basically on the 18th of December. So was once support, flipped into resistance, retested, will act as resistance again until broken, back tested as support, and then the market rallies. So a lot going on right in here, at least the way I see the markets, but looking great right now. We have the higher low, and what we want to see here is some follow through. We could start with taking out yesterday's high, so a new daily higher high, and start to inch our way back up to the highs of the 21st of December. So all looking good here, guys. I don't think I mentioned this in yesterday's video, but we have a new target up there, $2.84, 2.847 to be exact. This is a new target from a couple videos back, but I didn't mention it in yesterday's video. And you know, if we get a market that continues to rally here, we get Bitcoin basing out and finishing, we get Aerodrome starting to change its trend back to the upside, and this market goes on to rally into maybe all of January, 284 could easily come into play. So the 238, 264 are new as well, but our most recent there is 284. So that is a lot higher than where we are currently trading at here. Let's call it like 87 or so percent to the upside, $2.84. So time will tell, and we'll see. The market's got to prove itself. People can say, hey, the Bitcoin's not over, and so on and so forth. Until it makes new highs, it's as of right now, our highs are in. We need to make new highs, and then it's not over. But right now, we have a top in place, and the lower we go here, the more the odds start to stack in the favor of the bulls. You can see there is some Bitcoin boys supporting this market right in this level here. You can see with yesterday's candle wick, we wicked down in this level, pushed back up. You can see over here on the 20th, pushed back up right over here. So if we do get a drop below this level here, call it like 90, 92, 93, this could happen in a very abrupt way. So just be prepared for that. If they do start to push the market down and we start taking out these lows here, it could be a very fast move. So we'll see what happens here. I would like to see Bitcoin retake 96,626.83. Right now it's hanging out below it. It turned it into resistance yesterday. So that's not the most bullish thing. So if we can get back above that, that would be good. And then we can start to look at the 100K plus. But I would just be aware of if they take these lows out here, this thing could drop very fast. Guys, thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below on Bitcoin, on Aerodrome Finance. Let's see if we can take out yesterday's high for starters, and then maybe we can start to march on to the upside, get above 1623, and start to test the 169 high here, and hopefully take that out. But looks like the lows are in on the 20th, and then it's very important that we keep the 23rd lows for now as our major higher low. Aerodrome Finance, guys. 284 is a new target, and time will tell if that is reached. All links down below. Don't forget to check out that ebook. You guys have a great Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Take care.